Press the bell icon on YouTube and don't miss another update.
Hi, I'm Ritika. Me and my friend Priyanka, we at Curiosity Club take up workshops during weekend, and we keep taking up different activities. Now, since Diwali is approaching, so we thought why not do some craft activities related to Diwali and decorate our homes. So today we are going to make a door hanging. So first I've cut a chart paper in the semicircle, and first I'm going to stick jute on this with my glue gun. Just press it nicely. We are going to then cut this. Just make sure that you cut it little extra than the paper. After this we are going to stick this braid. Just cut off the extra braid and then we join this to make a cone. So our cone is ready. We have to make 2 such cones for both the sides of the door. After that, we are going to take 5 pom-poms. They can be of any random color. Just put a little bit of glue, stick them together. You have to make a ball. Now, we need a big needle for this because it will be easier for us to thread them. First, I'm going to take my bell. We'll make a knot like this. Now, we are going to thread this and just pull it out till the end so that the bell comes at the bottom. We are going to string 4 beads, golden beads. Now we are going to put the cone, and here we go. So it's going to be hanging and it's going to show like this from the bottom. We are going to now basically be threading the golden bead, gota flower and the pom-pom in a pattern so that we can make a beautiful door hanging. So this is how it goes. So now this is done like this. We are finally going to finish it with a loop at the top so that we can hang it on the door. So this is done. We just need to stick few gota flowers to decorate at the bottom. So here we are with our door hanging, and we can make 2 of these to hang at either side of the door.
I'll cut the jute in this shape. I've cut one piece of jute and I'm going to cut 4 more. So we need 5, and now we need to stick this fine gota. So this is how we have to stick the gota on the edges of the jute that we have cut. For each pentagon that we have cut, we need 1 bunch of the flowers and 2 leaves. I've finished decorating one of our jute pieces. We have to make 4 more such pieces and keep them ready. And then we need to stick them on this gota. I've taken a 1.25 meter long gota, which is a standard width of any door. And I'll stick 5 of my jute pieces on them. And then when we have finished sticking, it will look like this.
First, we are going to fold this into 4. Then we are going to cut these strips. After that, you can just pick up any punch. I'd like to use this one, and we start punching. We punch it from the other side. So we punch all the 4 strips like this. Now we need to tape them together. So this is how we stick them together. Take the tape half. Here we go. Our candle stand is done. Once this is done, you can either use a candle or a tea light. Here we're done.